I have always been curious about whether traditional churches have basements, and what they might look like if they do. One day, while passing by St. Michael's Cathedral Basilica in downtown Toronto, I decided to go in and check it out, to my delight. This church does have a basement, and it allows visitors to enter. In the basement, I saw a white statue encased in a glass room, with a platform behind it. There are also washrooms for visitors and cabinets displaying various gifts. The basement looked neat and well maintained. Thanks for watching. Until next time, keep curious.